Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you and tell you the care and maintenance tips for your robot and how often you have to clean the things in the Robot Roomba 405. So let's check the table. The dustbin as needed. Simple. Oh sorry, just focus. Okay, the next one, the filter, clean once a week, twice a week if you have a pet. The replacement frequency, the every 3-6 months. The edge swiping brush, every 2 weeks, 600 months to change. The multi-surface brush, the clean once a week, and the change, the replacement is a 6-12 months. The front caster wheel, 2 weeks, charging contacts, 2 weeks, sensors, cleans once a month or as needed. The mop pad auto clean after mopping, and brush cover, inspect every 6 months. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.